What I built the last 12 years in MMA, I can't lose.
Khabib, the Eagle!
Khabib is relentless. He is ruthless. What you get out of Justin Gaethje is spectacular violence.
Carnage is what I'm looking for. Personal health is not. I'm trying to inflict major damage, major pain at all times.
I want to maul him.
Welcome, guys,
By
for
Joe first.
upcoming UFC 254. The Russian Dream, Khabib Nurmagomedov versus Justin Gaethje. Oof, what a fight. Let's just get started. And what do you think, bro? Where are you?
I am here, man.
Oh, that's great. How excited are you?
I'm a big fan, and I've been waiting for this fight. I was waiting for Khabib to return, and what a fight! I mean, this is going to be an epic fight, and I can't wait to see it, man. Especially, it's happening in this pandemic situation. And what do you think this fight means for the fan?
Like, I want to see him fight. I was waiting for him to, come in the octagon and then fight. That is something to look forward to in this current situation. At least he's giving something to the fans, what fans deserve. So this fight, not only it is generating an interest and giving something good in terms of for the fans, but this fight is actually elevating a lot of things when it comes to the sports as well. I'm telling you, sports will get so much of benefit by this specific fight.
It's a treat. The way things are around the world, the cases and everything. I think this fight is a treat for everybody. It's a fight of the year. We know 2020, and yes, Khabib fight once in a year, and he's fighting for his legacy.
So according to you, what do you think, like how big are these two superstars?
I think I'll start with a very interesting news bite I've just read. I mean, just 1 hour ago. In India, so Khabib, and I'm very jealous, has sent a message to Varun Dhawan.
What?
It's picking up. Yes, absolutely. I was shocked. I don't know whether it's true or not, but he has sent a video message, and I'm really jealous of it. I mean, we are all fans here, doing this podcast, talking about him, literally stalking this guy for what he is and what he believes in. But he sends message to Varun Dhawan. Anyways, so I'm talking about the popularity of this sport now.
No, hold on,
It's
hold on,
pick-
hold on, hold on. You said Khabib Nurmagomedov sent a video message to Varun Dhawan.
yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's on Republic TV. So I just read a bite on this. So I don't know how true it is, but even if it's a fake news, I'm still very jealous.
You know what? I'm also dead jealous now. Why, man? How?
Absolutely. We are fans. We are literally, if you say hi to us just for 1 second, I mean, my day is made. It's picking up everywhere. It's picking up in India. The leading Bollywood stars, so to say, they are waiting for this fight, and I mean, and everywhere else. I mean, Khabib is the fifth most followed Muslim in the world. Do you know that?
Yeah, man.
So, I mean, his background and his popularity, his one Instagram post or one Facebook generate millions of views. So he is definitely a big name, and he's going to cement his place as one of the legends. I think he's waiting for his name to be counted, amongst Muhammad Ali or Mike Tyson in the future.
I absolutely agree with you because these two are massive stars. These two are very big personalities. Khabib, we all know, world knows Khabib now, right? Khabib is everywhere. Even if
Yeah,
people
absolutely.
doesn't follow this particular sport, they know Khabib Nurmagomedov, they know Conor McGregor. So they know these personalities. But I also want to touch on Justin Gaethje. People who are into this sport, the athletes know how dangerous this guy is, Justin Gaethje. How dangerous threat he can be for Khabib Nurmagomedov, in this division. And Khabib is in Abu Dhabi at the moment. How Abu Dhabi is crazy about Khabib. Though we know we don't have fans at the moment, and I don't know how impactful that would be in the fight because he's not having fans, he's not having his public, you know. And you know what interesting thing Justin Gaethje also said it. He said that it reminds me of a movie like Rocky 4. What happened in Rocky 4, if you've seen? Rocky 4, like
Yeah.
Sylvester Stallone, who's the American champion, he flew to where? He flew to Russia. He flew to Russia to fight the undefeated champion of that time, Ivan Drago. And exactly what is happening here? Justin Gaethje, the All-American, flew 16 hours away from America to Abu Dhabi and came at Habib's place. What do you think of this matchup?
So matchup, it's going to be very interesting. Justin Gaethje has a lot of tricks in his bags. He can punch. He can punch really hard. He can literally damage the other person. Second, very good with kicks. And interesting, third, very good. I mean, he's been wrestling, as you mentioned, since the age he was 4-year old.
And when it comes to the matchup, so I mean, Khabib has one style. I put him in one frame. He's not. What he gonna do next? He's not like that. He's very predictive, but he's very specialized. He's an expert. He's a master of that area. Everybody knows what Khabib gonna do to them. 28 people have tried. 28 people have failed miserably, and you know how dominant Khabib Nurmagomedov. He literally made people quit. That's what it does to all the opponents. But Justin Gaethje is a different animal. He's an animal. And I just want to see if he connects once. And we all saw if he connects once, Khabib will wobble, because Khabib gets very funny. He gets very funny when he got hit. He gets very funny. He gets wobble. He gets scared when he gets hit. So he forgets for a few seconds. He forget of his plan, whatever the plan his coaches have been made it for him. He forgets at that time. And I guess that is the window. That is a short window. Understand what I'm saying? That is a short window of time where the other opponent has to grab those minutes. Otherwise, he'll again come back to his plan and then start executing it. So you do have a chance. Justin Gaethje does have a chance for the hair.
Whenever Justin Gaethje has been asked, what's your strategy? He always says that I will not let him corner me. Do you think it's possible? What if the strategy should be, what if he grapples you? What are you going to do?
I think he's very confident in his abilities. That's what. And I think he should be, because he's fighting not a normal guy. He's fighting a different animal altogether, who's undefeated. And he wants to take that O from him. That is what he's after. He's very pumped for that. But to be honest, it's very unreal, to stop Khabib Nurmagomedov not taking you to the edge of the corner of the octagon. You should have a plan B. What if he takes you to the corner? Because he'll aim for that. He has taken everybody there.
Yeah.
And Justin Gaethje admitted, to be very honest, he said it, I'll try my best to keep the fight of the center of the octagon. Right? That's what he said it. But he's been also asked, what if Khabib will take you to this corner? Then he said it. He said, then I will be finished. He said this.
He said that.
He said this. He said it, then I will be finished. So he should have a plan B as well. But I guess he's ready. We have never seen Khabib getting kicked on his legs. And Justin Gaethje has that weapon, very, very solid weapon in his bank. He's going to kick his legs for sure. He'll try his best to keep the fight at the center of the octagon. He's ready for that. Khabib has won every single fight by taking people down and maul them. Justin Gaethje in his career has never been taken down.
Right.
One guy won every single fight by taking people down and mauled. Justin Gaethje has never been taken down. Now this fight will decide, what's gonna happen. It's gonna be so interesting. I'm telling you, the world is watching. I'm sure we're gonna watch for sure. Everybody's so hyped for this fight.
So Shobit, did you see their last fight, Khabib and Justin Gaethje? What's your assessment? So let's talk about Justin Gaethje, because we saw that fight against Tony Ferguson. What's your assessment of that?
That fight, I'm getting a goosebumps right now as well. Thinking about that fight, and you know why it was so dangerous fight, to be very honest, because you remember that fight happened in the lockdown in Abu Dhabi
Yeah,
itself,
absolutely.
at the fight island, and there were
Yeah.
no fans, so you could literally hear that when they were punching to each other, you could literally hear the sound. It was like this. And the amount of punishment Tony Ferguson received on his face, oh man, he got cut from here, everywhere. He's got
Yeah.
his legs was totally bruised up, you know.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Justin Gaethje, we all saw how good he was in his stamina as well. He was having a full tank. His endurance was very good. And Khabib, it was an easy victory. I mean, to be very honest, if I have to say, it
Yeah.
was such an
Yeah.
easy victory for Khabib over Dustin Poirier.
Justin Gaethje's last fight was very exciting. As you said, 3 weeks of notice, he came back and he won. That's a different thing. But the manner in which he won, he completely, he made Tony Ferguson look very miserable.
Right.
Tony Ferguson literally gave up. So, what do you think? Let's quickly talk about prediction. What do you think? KO or 5 rounds?
So I think like it would be very difficult to go other way, but I'm still gonna go. I think Justin Gaethje will take his belt this Saturday. I think I can see that Justin Gaethje knocking out Khabib. I know I'm sounding so bad, but then because it's been very unreal, but then yeah, that is what I predict. Justin Gaethje winning by KO. What do you think? What do you predict?
No, I don't think, man, this is definitely not a good prediction, first of all. I don't think, I mean, even if you put $1 million on this, I think it has a zero chance. I don't think it's gonna be a knockout event. For sure. You cannot knock out Khabib, no matter what. Just
Okay.
not possible. I
Okay.
think this fight will go till 5th round.
Okay.
I think so, because it's gonna be a long fight. And Justin Gaethje doesn't like winning by points, as far as I know. He said it's better to be defeated by a KO than point based. But I see this fight going till 5 round and Khabib will win. And yeah,
By
this is
decision,
my
right?
prediction. By decision, absolutely, absolutely.
Let's see, man. Let's see. Do not miss this fight. It is the massive fight of the year, the greatest fight of the year. So do not miss it. It's your
Yeah.
chance to watch this fight. Great. See you, buddy.
Absolutely. Thank you, thank you.